If you have belly fat, constant low energy after meals, brain fog, and cravings, it might be that your body is dealing with insulin resistance and your blood reports might be absolutely normal. Insulin resistance means the cells have stopped responding properly to insulin and your body keeps producing insulin to overcompensate it. So there will be an increased blood glucose level, but not enough to classify you as a diabetic or even pre diabetic level, and won't be detected in even in tests like HbA1c and fasting glucose. So, who actually gets it? People with a lot of belly fat who are obese with no exercise, lot of processed food intake, with a family history of diabetes, and also a low fiber diet. Here's what surprises most people: you don't need to be overweight to get insulin resistance. Even thin people have it too. Ayurveda has three herbs that can help with insulin resistance, which are fenugreek, gooseberry, and turmeric, which can be used as a dietary inclusion and not as a medicine alternative. Overnight soaked fenugreek, when consumed first thing in the morning, is great for insulin resistance and it is also a great source of fiber. Another thing to watch is to include fiber in all three meals of yours, because it is very essential to reduce the glucose spikes after having a meal, and fiber does exactly that. Another one of the most simple, cost effective, and free intervention to do for insulin resistance is an age old Ayurvedic practice, the Shatabhavali, that is walking 10 minutes post every meal every day. Insulin resistance is actually an alarming condition and it can progress to other metabolic syndromes. So it can be reversible if we catch it early. So if these symptoms look like you, please save this and send it to someone who might need it.